Hello techies, this is a CompTIA lab and we're going to create a ticket. Okay, so we have our tags here in this lab. We're going to open the company's help-desk ticketing system known as issue tracks. We're going to create a ticket for this, so let's go ahead and type in search. We're going to search for issue tracks and this is it. We're going to open this up. We'll go ahead and create a new ticket, and this is a summary of what we're going to create and need Audacity installed. So I'm going to copy this and paste or type this in here, whichever one is faster for you. Okay, so that is done. The next thing we want to do is to enter the description for it. We're going to enter the description of our choice. So it's going to be need Audacity installed, and here I'm going to give the reason for the installation. So let's say because it provides tools for recording. Don't mind what I'm writing here. I'm just trying to make it as fast as possible. You can type in whatever you want. So I'm going to input a phone number here. We'll give in a contact and then the device info also. And this device info is what is going to help the IT person know the exact PC to work on. Then we'll determine whether this is a high priority, and then this is the name of the assignee. We'll go ahead and input the date, and category will be under software issues, and so we'll go ahead and save this.
College life can be tough. Health, family, and life challenges can make tech courses overwhelming. Our tech tutoring service helps you master labs, discussions, and assignments, step by step. No matter the challenge, we ensure you rise above, with confidence and an A+. Dream Set Services, helping you succeed with confidence.